Hello everybody, West Shore here. Today I'm going to be getting my Ms-290 up and running again. So yeah, let's see. I'll pull out the wiring. Try not to ruin anything like I already did. Try not to lay this down straight. Okay, I got the little control box right here. I'm planning on getting an Ms-290 soon. I don't really know. Probably not. I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't really matter. So we'll take a moment. Oh, never mind, it doesn't matter yet. Small lighter goes to black. Okay, then pull this tape off. I need to figure out how to live stream on my phone. Or I can just premiere this, I don't know. Then, there. Black wire is now in place. There. Now the red wire. Put this in place. Yeah. I'm just hoping this works, because I had to take this apart the other day to clean it. Let's try. Good, it works. Yeah, I will be trying to customize the siren or something, I don't know, but when I get the Ms-290, I'm gonna try and make a dual port siren. Yeah, I don't really know how that's gonna turn out. Maybe it's gonna turn out like a Model 5, like have this like that, and then the Ms-290's in the inside aiming up. Then yeah, we'll see. Just go full blast. Well, that sounds a lot better than last time I tested this. Here, let me just move away from it so it's not as loud for me. I'll make it louder for other people. Make it louder for you guys. There you go. Okay, we do one more blast. Alright, that's it. See you guys in the next one.